Hi, congrats. Now that you purchased the ebook from us and you want to know more about how to avail all those post-sale benefits, which includes notes on demand and video lectures on demand, which is going to be absolutely free for you. And you must know how to access those benefits from us. Right, so this is our homepage, and let me open our ebook store here. So when you click the shop page, you can get this drop-down menu, and from this you choose ebook store. Will take you to the ebook store from where you actually purchase this ebook, and we have seven running on sale. And once you complete your order, you will definitely get an email, something like this. See, let me open this. Yes, this is the email which you will receive once you complete your purchase with the order number and everything, right? And now come back to the shop page and again press this drop down menu, and you can see another page coming up known as Brainy on Demand. Let me open this page for you. Brainy on Demand is the page where you have to submit your request to get this specific notes or video lectures, whatever you want, right? So just go to this particular page once you complete your ebook purchase from us, and just go to this Brainy on Demand page. Just fill up these required fields, your name, and you must enter these specific fields which is having the stars symbol, and these are mandatory to get this offer. Just type in your name, your order number, your email, because we will be sending those customized notes and video lectures to this email ID. The links will be given to this email ID. All right. So after filling up these things, you just need to upload the screenshot of your honest review that you have published on the website page about our product. For example, if you have just got a textbook like immunology or parasitology, just click on this particular page one more time, and you go down to the page. Right. Yeah. So you go down to the page, and you can see that here, after this additional information, you can see reviews. Currently, we are having three reviews, and what you need to do is like you need to give a star rating out of five. You can give whichever number you wish to give, whichever stars you wish to give. You can give a honest review over here, and just type in your review here. Just be honest. Like you can see, you can write about the pros and cons of this textbook, which part you would like and which part you didn't like, right? And you can just type in your email ID and your name and submit, and take a screenshot of this, right? And upload the same thing over here. So upload a screenshot of your honest review that you have published on the website page about our product that is required here. You can provide the review and star ratings on the same shop page at www.brainymicrobes.com and take a screenshot, upload it here. You can do it straight away from your mobile phone or any other device apart from laptops or desktops where you're accessing the ebook, right? And the second task is that you need to share the news about our ebooks on your social media platform and upload the screenshot of it here. I mean, you just need to publish, right? You have bought this particular ebook, and you can again type in your honest review over there. You can use Facebook, WhatsApp, or even Insta pages, or your YouTube, wherever you want, whichever social media platform you're active in. You can just drop in your honest review over here, or just spread the news that you bought this particular ebook from us, and this is what you feel about it, and you are pretty much happy that you bought this ebook, or you're pretty much sad that this ebook is having or lacking this particular criteria. You can just be honest with that, no problem at all, right? That's how we will grow. Right. This is just a open platform for us to know what is missing in our ebook, and this will definitely help you to improve and to produce much more detailed products and improved products for you in near future. So you just need to put these two screenshots in the required field, and here you can mention what is your requirement. You can ask for detailed notes. You can ask for video lectures, with the links for video lectures, or if you want, you can ask for both, right? So for every purchase, we can ask for five items, five notes or five lectures, or both, five plus 10, right? So you can ask in total, you can ask for 10 items, including five notes and five lectures, right? So five per order number. So you can type in your details, like I need notes on this particular topic or in microbiology, or this particular topic in this ebook. I want to have those notes. That notes was missing in this ebook. You please request. I mean, you can just drop in your specific request, including but be specific with your request, and even you can add about any references or resources from where you actually looking forward to have this um, you know, particular note or video lectures, and we'll come back to you within 72 hours. That's a turnaround time. We may require 72 hours to complete the task, and we'll come back to you personally to your email ID. Right? That's a kind of act of gratitude from our side, and this is absolutely free for you. Once you make the purchase, this will be absolutely free for you. And once you enter your email ID over here, you will be part of the family, completely part of the family, and we'll send you email notification if there is a kind of addition in our ebooks. And currently we are having first edition of all the ebooks, and whenever there is a kind of new addition, for example, right now I'm preparing notes on vaccines against, which is under the trial for coronavirus as on 4th of December 2020. So I'll be soon uploading those notes, and people who have already purchased ebooks related to virology, now vaccines against COVID is a latest update. So I'll directly send those notes to their email ID, or whichever you want. If you want, you can share your WhatsApp number. We'll be adding you to our WhatsApp group, and we'll directly send you across email or WhatsApp, whichever way you want. Right. That's how Brainy on Demand works for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And it's a humble request from our side that please make sure that you are using this benefit after you purchase an ebook from our end. Right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned and stay safe.